Smoke alarms chirp and let you know when there's a low battery, but if you didn't know, a lot of modern smoke alarms will also chirp and let you know if there's a malfunction or when it's hit the end of its life. Smoke alarms should be replaced every 10 years, and this alarm right here has been giving its malfunction / end of life chirps, and today we're going to replace it with this new smoke alarm. So in the last few weeks, I've actually been in 2 homes just with working with the fire department, where the homeowner had a smoke alarm that was making some interesting chirping noises, and they thought that it just needed a new battery. But what ended up happening is, well, they replaced it with a new battery and it kept on making the chirping noises. So if the alarm is making chirping noises and you replaced it with a new battery and you're 100% certain that it's not picking up on any emergency conditions, then it might be its end of life or malfunction signal. And chances are it's older than 10 years old and it's time to replace it. This one right here dates back to November of 2012, so it is well over its 10-year limit and it is time to replace it. So the new alarm that's going in today is the First Alert SM-ICO100-AC. It is a hardwired smoke alarm, so we will be wiring in some new pigtails on the back of the alarm today. If you're doing this at home and you don't feel comfortable doing this, then there are adapters that you can buy online, and it's just simple. You just plug in the adapter and then plug it into the back of your new alarm, or you can just hire an electrician and get somebody more experienced and qualified doing the electrical work. But it's not terribly hard. I've already made several videos on how to do it, so I'm not going to be showing the electrical side of it today, but if you want to learn, then definitely go check out some of my other videos. The new First Alert alarm has a dual smoke and carbon monoxide sensor, which is perfect because the old kitty alarm here that we're taking out has a dual smoke and carbon monoxide sensor as well. The only thing is that this one has a photoelectric smoke sensor, whereas the new one has an ionization smoke sensor. But I'm okay with putting this one in because the house already has other photoelectric detectors in it, and the main fire threat in the room that this alarm is going in is a wood-burning stove. And chances are, if that ever got out of hand, then it would probably be a fire producing ionization smoke particles. All of the other smoke alarms in the house are also made by First Alert, so it'll actually kind of be nice to officially have all the other alarms in the house, the First Alert brand. You usually don't want to intermix companies when it comes to hardwired smoke alarms unless the manufacturer allows it. So you can, but it's usually best when you're dealing with hardwired alarms to just have them all by the same brand. Since we were talking about it, here's all the chirp codes for this new First Alert alarm. 3 beeps means that there's a smoke alarm. 4 beeps means that there's a carbon monoxide alarm. 1 chirp every minute means that there is a low battery. 3 chirps every minute means that there's a malfunction. And 5 chirps every minute means it's time to replace the alarm because it's hit the end of its life. The most important thing is simply making sure that the power is indeed disconnected, which I did flip the correct breaker, and then we're also just verifying here with this electrical tester here. It would be turning red and beeping if it sensed any electricity, which it is not. So let's go ahead and replace the alarm. That only took like a few minutes. Flip the power back on. The power light is on, so it is getting power, but it is blinking, which means we need to test the alarm to reset it, and then also activate the batteries inside of the alarm. The emergency backup batteries in case there's a power outage. So let's go ahead and activate those batteries first. There it is, it's now active, and let's test the alarm. Sounds like the fire side of it is working. There's the carbon monoxide. There it is. I think it's working. And the power light has turned back on to its stationary green color. That means we did the install correctly. Looks good up there. In other news, check out this ADT TBar that I got. And yes, you heard me right, that is an ADT TBar. I don't have a key for it, but the locks on all these pull stations can pretty easily be picked. So I was able to get it open, and here is the model. It is an ADT-3404, and it's just like a dual action conventional simplex TBar. Got this from some of the fire prevention people at my workplace. They had an extra one. Oh, it just came off. There it is. It's back on. I just had to fit it on. But anyways, I did get it to open up, and I'll go ahead and pull it for you. There it is. Pretty cool. I just got to find a key for it. Maybe pick one up online. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and please have a great day.